remember we talked about within and between. So this one, to go from 25 to 40, that's gonna be an ugly decimal. I don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna look within. I see 25 and $3.75. Those are gonna work nicely together. So I wanna find the relationship within, okay? So I wanna ask myself how many 25s are in $3.75. So I can do that in my head. I can know what that is. Or if I don't know, I can come over here and I can divide. And I know that there's one in here, right? And so I'm gonna have I'm gonna have 125. And so I know that there are 5 25s in there, which is gonna be 125, which gives me 0. So I'm looking for a scale factor of 15. So that means 25 times 1.5, sorry. Is that right? Is it point?
No, because...
Okay. All right. So had a little moment of math problem there. So when I divide this, notice there's my decimal. So it's really 0.15, okay? So my scale factor is gonna be times 0.15, that's within. So over here, I'm gonna multiply by 0.15, okay? Well, when I do that, 40 times 0.15, come over here, is $6. So the cost of making 40 copies is going to be $6, okay? Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. I know you're not here to answer that question, so it's really more of a rhetorical.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, so you got to ask yourself at the end of the day, does it make sense? Yeah, well, 25 copies is $3.75, 40's almost double, so it would be almost double of $3.75, which would be $6, okay? So there's a lot of math thinking in there. So you want to remember, I'm going to write here, within, that's like this one, or between, okay? Either one of these will work. You got to look for the one that works best, okay? And I'll send a picture of the key in a little bit.